doing good. I'm very excited as this is my first vlog. I'll be unboxing the best headphones in the market for the past 2 years, and that is the Sony XM4. This is the Sony XM4. Let's unbox it. Headphones are in the coolest box. Let's unveil them. Let's see what's included in the box. The noise cancelling headsets, USB Type-C charger, headphone jack 3.5 mm, adapter in-flight use. They have also included Sony's 360 Reality Audio free trial voucher. To get started, we have to download the Sony Headphones Connect app and pair your device. Let's start exploring the features. To skip to the next song, you should swipe to the right. To play the previous song, we should swipe left twice. To increase the volume, swipe up. To decrease the volume, swipe down. So the next feature is speak to chat. So when I start speaking, it pauses. The next feature is we can pair multiple devices at the same time. For example, when you pair to your PC and your phone and you're working on your computer, or listening to music in your computer and your phone starts to ring, the headphones will automatically switch to your phone to pick up the call. One of the coolest features about these headphones is that when you take off the headsets, the music stops. After 15 minutes of inactivity, the headphones power off, in return saves your battery life. The best feature about these headphones is the noise cancelling at this price point. The noise cancelling cancels the noise around us. In the case you have to observe your surrounding, place your right hand on the right cup, you'll be able to hear your surroundings.